a video of me showing my monster truck collection, so please enjoy. Here's Gravedigger, a Gravedigger that I got from McDonald's. Shark Creek, Captain's Curse, Inferno. Actually, one of the tires I got broken a little bit. If you see it, it comes down below. Wrecking Crew with their tires. Blue Thunder, Zombie, Captain America, El Toro Loco, NEA Police, Matt Stee, Metal Militia, Higher Education, El Toro Loco Yellow, Baccarat, Son of a Digger, and Prouder. Here are my extra monster trucks. Blue Thunder and Metal Militia. Here are my true metal monster trucks. Earth Shaker and Monster Mutt. Here are my special wheel monster trucks. Gravedigger and Son of a Digger. Here are my Hot Wheels monster truck 2019. New. They're new. 5-Alarm, Dodge Charger, Undertaker, and Loco Punk. Here are my Toxic version trucks. Only Loco Punk Toxic. Here are my Monster Jam big trucks. Scooby-Doo. And here are my big new monster trucks. Bigfoot and 5-Alarm America. And I also have a poster of this. All of my trucks, all the truck collection. There's a closer look of them. Right. The green checks are like the ones that I got. Here's a poster of Earth Shaker, and I also got a poster of Monster Mutt, but I couldn't put it up. And also, here is my RC monster truck. The Fast and Furious Dom's Dodge Charger, but it's that dirty a little bit. So that's it for today, you guys. Leave the comments down below which one was your favorite monster truck. Bye.